Right now, Australia is handing out life-changing opportunities to thousands worldwide. And you could be next. What if I told you that you can move to Australia without an IELTS exam? No university degree? Not even years of work experience? This isn't a dream. Australia is facing its biggest labor shortage in history, with over 215,000 jobs sitting empty. To solve this, they've launched special fast-track visa programs that remove traditional barriers. In this video, I'll reveal exactly which jobs are hiring right now, how much they pay, the visas you need, and the step-by-step process to apply. If you've ever imagined a new life down under, your moment is here. Stay until the end. I've got critical tips to avoid scams and direct links to apply. Host, let's break down exactly how these no-requirement policies work. Australia's government has identified 77 critical shortage occupations where employers can sponsor foreign workers with relaxed rules. The key visas are 1. *** temporary skill shortage visa, subclass 482** for skilled roles like chefs, mechanics, or construction supervisors. Employers can now waive IELTS if you pass a practical job interview. Formal education requirements are also waived if you have 2+ years of on-the-job experience. 2. *** skilled employer, sponsored regional visa, subclass 494** for roles in rural areas like farming, meat processing, or aged care. No IELTS needed. Basic conversational English is tested during employer interviews. Salary thresholds are 10% lower than major cities. 3. *** training visa, subclass 407** for trainees in sectors like hospitality or manufacturing. No prior qualifications needed. Employers provide paid on-the-job training. The government's Priority Skills Migration Program specifically targets these sectors, cutting processing times to just 5-8 weeks. This isn't a loophole. It's Australia's official response to its workforce crisis. Here are the top 10 jobs actively sponsoring overseas workers right now. I'll share exact salaries in Australian dollars and perks. One. Aged and disability care workers. Salary, $70,000, $85,000 plus superannuation, retirement fund benefits, free visa sponsorship, free health insurance, Medicare, for week paid training requirements. Certificate 3 and individual support can be obtained after hiring. 2. Meat processing workers, abattoirs. Salary, $60,000, $75,000 plus overtime, $45.55 on weekends. Benefits, employer provided housing, path to PR after 3 years. 3. Truck drivers, heavy rigid license. Salary, $80,000, $110,000 benefits, $5,000 relocation bonus. Family can join immediately. 4. Farm supervisors, fruit/vegetable harvesting. Salary, $60,000. $5,000 plus/year plus free accommodation benefits. PR priority for regional areas. 5. Chefs, all levels. Salary, $65,000, $90,000/year benefits. Sponsorship for entire family. Other roles, childcare workers, electricians, plumbers, hospitality managers, and construction laborers. Most offer permanent residency pathways after 2 to 3 years of employment. Employers cover 100% of visa fees. Never pay for sponsorship. Follow this exact process to secure your Australian job. Step 1. Find eligible employers. Search on official job portals. A job active. Gov. Use filter. Visa sponsorship available. Australian Government Labour Market Insights. Labour Market Insights. Gov. O verify shortage regions, top recruitment agencies. Agri-labor programmed, Hayes recruitment. Step 2. Prepare your documents required. Passport, resume, proof of experience, employment letters, pay slips. Optional but helpful. Reference videos showing your work skills. Step 3. Employer interview, conducted via Zoom, no travel needed. English test. Simple conversational questions about your job role. Skills test, e.g., show how you'd lift heavy boxes safely for farm work. Step 4. Visa lodgement. Employer submits nomination to Home Affairs. You complete health checks. No chronic diseases required. Average processing, 15. Step 5. Move to Australia. Employer provides airport pickup, 2 weeks free accommodation. Medicare card issued within 10 days, free public health care. Host. Critical advice to avoid rejection or fraud. Eligibility must-haves age. Under 45 for most visas, exceptions for regional roles. Health. No tuberculosis or major illnesses. Character. No criminal record involving prison sentences. Red flags of scams. If an employer asks for payment for sponsorship, real sponsors never charge. Agencies claiming guaranteed visas. Only Home Affairs grants visas. Fake websites mimicking Gov. Oh, check URL spelling. Pro tips apply directly through employer websites. Coles, BHP, Anglicare post vacancies. Regional areas like Tasmania or Western Australia have 30% faster processing. Use free migration advice via Australia's Department of Home Affairs. Your Australian dream starts today. In the description below, I've included 1. Direct links to current job openings with visa sponsorship. 2. Free skills assessment tools. 3. Official Home Affairs checklist for visa documents. 4. My personal email for application questions. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. Next week I'm revealing a new fast-track PR pathway for truck drivers. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people like you. Comment Australia below if you're applying. Our team responds to every query. Your new life awaits.